Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap, and our latest scrapbook page kit is out of this world. Let's take a closer look at Starry Night. Your kit comes with a dozen sheets of paper. We start off with 2 of this stunning moon prints and 2 wave prints. And our coordinating paper palette this month includes 2 of this light yellow, 2 bright blue, 2 dark yellow, and 2 dark blue. And all of this paper is an 80-pound cover weight. You'll also receive 2 really important 12 by 12 printed cutaparts. These are carefully designed so that you have plenty of border strips, you've got images from the collection, and journaling prompts to help easily and quickly finish your layouts. You'll be a star at matting your photos. We've got a dozen for you in this collection: dark blue, light yellow, dark yellow, and white. And we have a set of 3 beautiful ribbons as well. 2 yards of a yellow satin, 1 yard of this dark blue silk, and a yard of this metallic gold. And to help you finish up those pages with embellishments, you'll receive 3 of these adorable organza star and moon bags, 3 of these stitched star appliques, 2 gold word charms. One of them says dream and the other says believe, and 2 round star charms. Now, it's really nice to receive all these coordinating items in a kit, but what's best about Club Scrap is that you can download and print a set of easy to follow instructions. If you follow along with this and my workshop video, I'll help you turn the entire contents of the box into 8 beautiful scrapbook pages. Now, every month I challenge myself to help you use absolutely everything that comes in that box. So here we've got the photo mats, cut-aparts, the appliques, the organza bag, the gold charm, the ribbon. Everything is used and it turns out beautifully. Once your pages are done, all that you have left to do is go find your photos, add them to the layouts, finish them with a little bit of journaling, and you're going to have 8 pages that you can be proud of and nothing left to take up valuable space in your craft room when you're finished. Now, one final advantage of being a Club Scrap member is that each month you receive a page formula. You can download and print this, shop your stash of papers at home,
if you have one,
and then create beautiful layouts following the same method we use for our monthly kits. So pick up that Starry Night page kit today. You don't have to be a member to shop, but members always save. I'll see you in class.